Welcome to Sellora, your trusted platform for smart and scalable e-commerce. In this video, we'll show you how to list your products in bulk using the Sellora Seller panel. It's the most efficient way to upload and manage multiple products at once, saving you time and effort as you grow your business. Let's get started. Start by visiting seller.sellora.com. Log in using your registered email ID or mobile number. Enter your password, and you'll receive a 6-digit OTP on both your phone and email. Once you enter the OTP, you'll be taken to your seller dashboard. If you're already logged in, just click on Login and you'll be redirected to your dashboard automatically. From the top menu, hover over the Listing tab and select Add Catalog. Here you will find two options: Add Single Listing, Bulk Listing. Click on Bulk Listing to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Create Your Catalog page. Under the Download and Upload Spreadsheet section, you have two options. First, click Download Templates to access Sellora's official bulk listing format. Once selected, choose the appropriate product category and brand name. Your customized template will then be ready for download. Open the file and begin entering your product details. Make sure to fill in all mandatory fields such as product name, SKU, price, stock, description, and image links. It works just like single product listing. But here, you can upload multiple products at once, saving valuable time. If you're unsure how to fill out the fields, we recommend watching our single product listing tutorial. The link is provided in the description below. Once your sheet is complete, review all entries carefully and save the file in .xlsx format. Then return to your Sellora dashboard, go to Bulk Listing, and click the Browse button. Select your saved file. And that's it. Your bulk listing will be uploaded. Alternatively, if you have your own Excel sheet, you can upload it as well. Just ensure it follows Sellora's required format and structure. This streamlined process makes bulk listing quick, efficient, and effortless, helping you manage your catalog with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching this Sellora bulk listing tutorial. We hope it streamlines your inventory management. To stay updated with more such videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.